Islands of Canada, the deepening snow turned into ice and eventually began to flow plastically under its own weight and to grow in a great continental ice sheet many thousands of feet thick. Several times in the past 2 million years, ice built up in Canada and moved into the north-central United States. The most recent glaciation, which reached central Indiana, is called the Wisconsin Glacier. What is a moraine? And again, this is a handout that was given to everybody that came to Pokagon in the 70s and 80s, okay? And Mr. Beckler found it online.
And printed it off. That's copyright.
The Pokagon moraine landscape is a product of the decay of the Saginaw ice lobe of the Wisconsin Glacier. Okay? Unlike the glacier lobes in the Indiana, the Saginaw lobe became stagnant. That is, forward motion of the ice ceased and melting took place. Through massive down melting. As down melting progressed, the ice surface became more and more rugged. Crevasses enlarged. Thin patches of dark debris warmed and melted depressions in the underlying ice. Some debris had been carried along from the ice melt from the base of the glacier. Some of the debris was carried by meltwater across the ice surface and into great crevasses and was left.
Yeah, it's called
Crevices.
crevices.
Potato. And what was left were long gravel ridges or crevasse fills.
Mr. Beckwith said it was crevasse.
Yeah.
Yeah. You weren't listening that day.
Yeah.
Irregular
That's
sharp.
what.
Irregular sharp-crested hills or canes, right, that we see today. Some unsorted debris slid and flowed down the rugged melting ice surface and accumulated in natural melt hollows on the ice surface. This material later formed some of Pokagon's hills and surrounding and underlying ice melted away. Some masses of ice were buried by debris at an earlier time during the glacier's melting and were eventually insulated by the thick debris so that they remained long after other ice melted. They finally melted too, leaving ice-block depressions or kettle holes. Pokagon's well-developed morainal topography, like that of the famous Kettle Interlobate moraine of eastern Wisconsin, wow, that's a big word, part due to its positioning between two confronting lobes of Wisconsin ice. But also, so little time had elapsed since the melting of the last ice that the topography had very little chance to change by erosion. At Pokagon, we can see this landscape as the ice left. So when those chunks of ice were insulated by debris, right? Huh?
They're called glaciers.
The chunks of ice that were buried by debris, right? They formed